Welcome to BBQ Today we're grilling up a Big Texan steak at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, what we have here is a piece of London broil. It's also known as a top round, right? It's a gorgeous piece of meat, but it is tough. So one of the ways to tenderize it is use a meat tenderizer. One with a lot of forks and needles at the end. You know about that, right? And that breaks down the fiber. And another way to do it is to marinate it, and that's what we're going to do as well today. All right. So for this recipe, you're going to need some beef broth. So pour that in your plastic marinating bag or whatever you're using for marinating, right? Now, here we have some olive oil. Yep, just a little bit of olive oil. We've got some soy sauce. Oh, man, this will help tenderize it. We've got some Worcestershire sauce. We've got some of our SPG, all right? A little salt, pepper, garlic. And here we've got some lemon juice, right? Now, of course, the citrus acid in the lemon juice will help tenderize it. Now, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 2 days. Really help tenderize it. You've got the time, right? Do it on a Thursday for a Saturday grill. So now, after a couple of days, this is what it looks like. Maybe not so appetizing, but guaranteed tender and moist when this Big Texan steak is done. Now, for the grill, we're going to add a little coating of olive oil, right? Both sides. Simple enough. This is going to be good. Whoa, all right. So now, it's called the Big Texan. Why? It's because we're using our Big Texan rub. And if you don't have any Big Texan rub, we'll use your favorite rub. You're getting the idea and the technique here, right? So we're going to use our Big Texan, and many of you are familiar with that. And we're going to coat it fairly heavily, both sides. In a way, this is another layer of flavor, right? Right. So we've got all kinds of flavor on the inside, and we're packing it on the outside. And what a combination you'll end up with, right? So now, to the grill we go. We're going to cook it at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit, not much more than that. We're going to do a low and slow as far as steaks go, right? And it won't take but maybe an hour, more or less. And during that point, just move that steak around to get some even cooking, right? Just simple enough. Take your time. No high heat required, which some London broil techniques call for, but not in this case. We're fully marinated, and this is what you get. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Oh, Martha, we're going to be eating good tonight. Now, here we've got some butcher paper, right? And we're just going to wrap it in there for a little bit, let it set. We've got an internal temperature of about 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh. And you just wait 20, 30 minutes, right? All right, can't wait anymore. Take a look at this. See the moisture sweat out of there? Oh, man. I am telling you, you will never have a better piece of top round. And some will say never better piece of steak, too, right? Oh. So I know you're asking, so we're going to cut into this a little bit. Oh. This is what it's all about. So be sure and go out and get yourself some top round. Make it real tender by following this technique. Hit it with a metal meat tenderizer and then marinate it for a couple of days. Well worth the effort, like I said. And as you can see here, Lord have mercy. So, to get the exact ingredients, of course, head on over to our website. And while you're there, sign up a BBQ Pit Boys chapter for yourself. We'd be proud to have you. Oh, man. You kidding? Take a look. Oh, this is what it's all about, right? So remember this. The next time you need a good recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.